Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see one very simple function, that is mod function. Uh, so basic of this function is that it just returns reminder after dividing a particular number. Okay, so this sounds very simple, but the beauty of these small Excel formulas is these functions may look simple, but if you combine it with other formulas it becomes super powerful. So let's see how it works and how we can use it practically. So for example, equal to, you just type mod open parenthesis, the number is, let's say, 90 comma 3 is the divisor, close parenthesis. So 90 divided by 3 is 30, there is no reminder, so the return is 0. I copy and paste it here, and this is how the results are generated. Let's say I put 85 here and copy and paste it again, so 1. If I put, let's say, 70 here, then again the result is 1. So this is how it works, but we can make it more powerful, especially if you are, let's say, data analyst and you want to identify a particular pattern of the numbers within the given data range. Then you can use the mod function in lot of creative ways. So let's say, for example, if you want to identify if a particular number is even or odd, then you can simply use mod the number divisor, it's 2, close parenthesis, copy and paste. So let's say I put here 60 87, then yes, even, like this. Now let's say you can combine it with the if function. So that will be equal to if, then we put mod function, if this number comma divisor is 2 is equal to 0, then the result should be even, else odd. Like this. So this is another way to use it. Then another way you can use it, let's say if you want to perform some function on random rows, then you can use this function like this, equal to mod, in which you can put row function, close parenthesis, comma 2, close, like this. So this way Excel highlights 1010 in this pattern, all the rows. So you can apply filter and filter either 1 or 0 and then perform your function. You can use this technique in audit also. Let's say you have got lot of data, and let me put something random like E, F, G, H, I, Z, and there are some random numbers like 85, 41, 47, 33, 98, 12. I'm just putting some random numbers, and I want to do audit sampling and use perform my audit for every third row. So what I will do, equal to, again mod function, then I will put row function here, open and close parenthesis, comma 3, close parenthesis. So like this. So and here now you can filter on 0, and that will be your audit sample. Here you can also combine if function, if mod row comma 3 is equal to 0, then result should be audit sample, else ignore, close parenthesis, like this. And then you can filter on audit sample and perform your audit. So this looks small, but a very powerful function. You can combine it with a lot of other formulas like index match and all. I will definitely show it in my future videos, but hope this function you like this video, and you can try this function in your data analysis. So if you have liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with more and more people. Thank you.